So now in this exercise, mettez les verbes à l'imparfait. So we are going to put these verbs in the imparfait. So the first sentence, François Mitterrand, puis Jacques Chirac, and the verb given to us is être. So for être, the beginning is et. We know that. Now what is the subject? It is il, third person plural, right? So what is the ending for il? It is A-I-E-N-T, right? The next one, nous, and the verb given to us is écouter. Now how will you write? Imparfait, we'll take the nous conjugation in the present tense. Écoutons. We'll remove ONS and add the ending. So for nous, the ending is IONS. So IONS. Nous écoutions de la musique techno et du rap. The next sentence, on, and the verb given is aller. So how do we write imparfait? We take the nous conjugation in the present tense, allons, remove ONS and add. Now the subject here is on. So it is either il or elle. Third person singular. So what would be the ending? It is AIT. On aller voir les films du Luc. The next sentence, je, and the verb given is lire. Now the nous conjugation in the present tense, lisons, remove ONS, add the ending. For je, it is AIS. Je lisais les romans d'Amélie Nothomb. And finally, this sentence, nous, the verb is partir. So how would you write? In the present tense, it is partons, remove ONS and add the ending. For nous, the ending is IONS. Nous partions en vacances au Mexique. So what did we do here? We wrote, except for the first sentence, in the others we wrote the nous conjugation in the present tense, removed ONS and added the ending for that particular subject. So it is very simple. So we have 5 more sentences in this exercise. Now we will try to do it without this step. That is, without writing this step. We have to do this step, of course, but we are going to try to write it directly. Moving on to the next sentence. Les jeunes. The verb is vouloir. So now we are not going to write that step. So we know the nous conjugation is voulons, VOULONS. So we will remove ONS and add the ending. So what is the subject here? It is third person plural. So the ending is AIENT. Les gens voulaient parler en verlan. The next sentence, en découvrir. So now we know the nous conjugation, découvrons, and we are going to write the ending. On, that means third person singular. So the ending is AIT. On découvrait Internet. The next sentence, les banlieues. The verb is avoir. So we know the nous conjugation, avant. So we remove ONS and add the ending. Les Banlieues. It is third person plural. So the ending is AIENT. Les Banlieues avaient la haine. Now the next sentence. Le climat devenir. Devenir. So devenant, remove ONS, and the subject is third person singular. So devenir un problème. Finally, the last sentence in this exercise, nous, the verb given is être. So for être we know it is ET, and what is the subject here? It is nous. So the ending is IONS. So nous étions la génération stagiaire. So this is how we write imparfait. So if you notice, most of these sentences were explaining something. Okay, so see, le climat. So it is explaining the climate, the description. So like I told you, if it is an action, you will use passé composé. If it is a description or a regular habit you are explaining, then you will use imparfait. So now we will practice imparfait some more.